In today's video, I'm excited to share with you an old recipe for organic plant fertilizer that can help your plants grow faster, have healthier leaves, and even produce more flowers. The best part is that this recipe is simple and easy to make, and you'll start to see the difference in just a few weeks. This recipe is versatile and can be used on all types of plants, including calatheas, monsteras, alocasias, ZZ plants, balcony plants, gardens, and more. As a plant lover, I've used this recipe as a supplement in my houseplants and have seen great results. To make this organic plant food, you'll need 4 large tablespoons of lentils, red or brown, and 1 liter of water. I highly recommend using distilled water when watering your calathea plants to avoid any impurities that may harm your plants. So, let's get started on making this amazing organic plant fertilizer that will help your plants growing and shining. To make this natural plant fertilizer, begin by adding 4 large tablespoons of lentils, red or brown, into a glass container. Next, pour 1 liter of water into the container. If you want to make a larger amount of fertilizer for more plants, you can use the ratio of 4 to 1 lentils to water. Allow the lentil and water mixture to sit and rest for approximately 4 hours. During this time, the lentils will begin to release their nutrients into the water, creating a nutrient-rich fertilizer that you can use to nourish your plants. This calathea plant is a proof to the effectiveness of this organic fertilizer. When I bought it, most of its leaves were dried and curled. However, after a month of watering it with lentil water, the new growths are now healthy and beautiful, and the plant has also become bushier. Lentils are a great natural fertilizer for plants, containing essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Using lentils as a fertilizer promotes healthy growth, improves soil quality, enhances plant health, is eco-friendly, and cost-effective. Lentils provide organic matter that improves soil structure and helps retain moisture, which benefits plants by promoting strong root growth and increasing resistance to disease and pests. They are also sustainable and readily available, making them an excellent alternative to synthetic fertilizers. Once the lentil mixture has rested for around 4 hours, the water will take on a darker color, and the fertilizer will be ready to use. Strain the mixture through a sieve or colander into another container or watering can. When using this natural fertilizer, water your plants as you would normally. Since this is a natural supplement, you can water your plants with it a few times in a row. I usually water my plants with this fertilizer 2 to 3 times a month during the growing season, but during the summer months, you may need to water them more frequently. If you have any questions, please write below in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer. If you like my content, please support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. It means a lot to me, and it's completely free for you. Thanks for watching.